Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasngi pet but subscribe ya u an khublei phi baru kinigilong ki khubor bam ta kasngi ya ga Miss Universe Meghalaya 2018 but Miss Teen Meghalaya 2018 ya ga balapnya the state director ba Brian and Walang ringkat bagi dekot ken hun kan pelong audition Miss ha nyotrik leber Hatura, Spauterik ulber ha Jawai, Kasauterik ulber ha Shillong, Hagaba, Bentip Shakilat Pathai Kubor ha Shillong Press Club. Uloong bagani ka jingya kun kalong bantay ki kanak bantay kum ginong mi kmat jong gajala, dagaba pelet jingmut ha ka jing smos kam jingya lamba ka jingya grand pat ba. Ki bala ban apply ki long, Miss Universe kat pras nem sheneng but Miss Teen Khatlai hadu khat khandai snem walk in registration kan zdang nadu praba jimin step ka grand finale kan long ha ka shitari ujimang 2018
Just putting us in that was so awkward. The Miss Universe Meghalaya and also Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026. And before I go on, I would like to introduce the members of the panel that are here.
Hello everyone, my name is Fortunate Gankar and I am the reigning Miss Teen Meghalaya. Thank you.
I am Shravan Pradhan and I am the pageant coordinator for Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026 and Miss Teen Meghalaya 2026.
I'm Laila Kapoor and I will be the groomer, personality development trainer for the contestants this year, and we have a lot in store for them, so we're excited for this.
Hello everyone, my name is Liam and one of the event managers for this project, and I will thank you all for coming here, for being with us today, the media partners and everyone. I would also like to thank Mr. Tabor and Ms. Nancy Sama for being our partners at this stage of time. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you.
And the state director for the Miss Meghalaya and also the Miss Teen Meghalaya. Well, this year we just want to do something a little different. So we're not only holding auditions in Shillong, but we're also going to have an audition in Jaita Hills, that's in July, and in Turang, so that we can have members from all over the different districts of our state included, because there are many of them who didn't get the opportunity earlier, so we want to give everyone the opportunity. So that's why we will be going to these other districts so that we will be able to conduct these auditions for them. We also open to other districts if they want us to have auditions in the state districts. We will also be willing to go there, because for me personally, and I think for my team here, we really want as many girls to be able to be a part of this, because it's not just about beauty, but it's also about self-growth. We want them to go through, because we're going to have nearly a 2-week training program for them, so that by the end of that program, whether they win or not, we want them to be confident, we want them to be able to be focused, to be able to be an asset to society and also asset to themselves, because once they go through the training, there are so many job opportunities which can be waiting for them, and I think they will be much more confident being able to go after these 2 weeks. And I'm sure each contestant will notice the difference in themselves. So for Jaita Hills, Mr. Deborlan will be in charge. He's our team member, and from Garo Hills we have Miss Nancy Sama. So both of them will be the ones who are coordinating for us in Garo Hills and also in Jaita Hills. And that's why I want to encourage all the young girls, because for the teen category, the age limit is from 13 to 19. And for the Miss Universe Meghalaya, it is from 18 years onwards. There are no other criteria, there's no height criteria, there's no weight criteria or anything like that. It's just open to anyone and everyone who wishes to participate in this. And that is why I want to encourage everyone to please come forward and participate in it, because it is going to be a learning experience for each and every one of them. And today, with so much challenges in the world where jobs are concerned, going through this training period, I'm sure it'll help them to be able to achieve many things which they wish to achieve after going through this training. At the end of the day, we're going to say that we're not just here to select winners, but we are building ambassadors for our state. I will hand you over now to Shravan, who's going to be the pageant coordinator.
Now talking about the auditions, we are going to kick off the Shillong. That will be on the 14th of March 2026. For the auditions, we'll have the walk-in registration from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. and we'll have a short briefing to all the contestants from 10:30 to 10:50. And after that, we'll be having a 20 minutes break. We'll line up the contestants and we'll be starting with the auditions. And for the grooming part, I will hand over to Ms. Lay.
Regarding the grooming part of the competition, especially for the contestants, is that this is not just a beauty pageant. It is a platform where confidence is cultivated, voices are amplified, and futures are shaped. So our contestants will be going through a process of personality development, community impact, ramp walk mastery, for them to be able to handle Q&A interviews, fitness, which includes from skin to their mental health and wellness. And most importantly for us is we are looking for a contestant who's going to come with great authenticity, build not only their personality development, but build a career around it. So our main focus this year is that the girls, they come in with a little few rough edges and we define them into refined young women. So there's a lot of...
For this event, our main goal is women's empowerment, to give young women in Meghalaya a platform to get confident, learn communication skills and find real opportunities beyond the crowd. We are focused on properly organizing a properly organized event, good production, professional, good setup, media coverage almost all over the state, and if we can maybe nationally as well, and clear coordination within the team. We also want to ensure a safe and proper management for contestants and both the audience as well. We are also currently looking for sponsors, and we warmly welcome brands and organization who support our youth and women's development to collaborate with us. So we believe that Meghalaya deserves a very prestigious, professional, organized event that the state can be proud of. Thank you.
Denim shorts. And for the second round, we'll be having this short black bodycon dress. That will be for the audition rounds. Thank you.
So the parents can support them by being there whilst we're having our practice sessions. Because we are going to try our best in whatever way we can to take care of each and every girl the best way we can. Because at the end of the day, I believe that every child and every team and every person who's entering the Miss category too, they all need to be taken care of so that whatever we do and in this during this period of time, they will be able to do well at the end of it. I think because what we need today are young, confident people in our state who will be able to carry our state forward. And through something like this, they will be able to do so. Besides that, I just wanted to also thank everybody here for being with us today. It's about confidence, it's about personality, building up their personality, being able to have social skills where they can deal with issues, got to do with mental health, talking about your fitness. So it's not only about the beauty pageant. So after this competition, I'm saying we want each girl to be able to be that confident person that we want them to be. And at the end of it, I think the sky is the limit. Once they're confident about themselves, the sky is the limit.